Previously on DAV. Yesterday I released a new version of missions and mission control. I got a chance to fix a few bugs in it before I did it, tweak the UX a bit, reintegrate a few pull requests we received, create a few issues for future improvements. I also plan to work on our smart contracts for the first POC. I did not finish that. I plan to continue with that today. Also today I'm doing a lot of work with Lior on various UIs for our different projects and improving the roadmap a bit in areas where it was unclear. Also today I have to do a bunch of contracts, non-smart contracts, traditional pen and paper contracts for a new advisor that is joining us and a new developer that's going to be joining us next month. I'll see you soon.
Hey guys, so yesterday I worked on the vessel charging communication protocol, part of the autonomous boat POC, and I also worked on some post-launch website improvements for our new website version together with a web developer. And today I started revising some of the designs I got for the autonomous boat section inside the missions app. So we're working on the user experience there to be similar to the one we have now with the drones. And also worked on designs that we're planning to implement on the new developer portal. So a little bit back and forth with our designer, making some thinking together. And I think these are the highlights. So thanks.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So yesterday the main focus really was just to make sure that the website went off without a hitch. And the website launch would happen on Tuesday, but we made a bunch of adjustments yesterday based off some feedback. Once it was actually live, we had to make some adjustments to mobile and things like that. So a lot of that happened on yesterday. And then also did some good advisor worked with some of the paid campaign partners. The one specific partner I've been working on some additional branding. We're also looking at potentially bringing on a creative person. So did some interviewing and some work on that as well. Team's growing, everyone's excited, a lot of good things overall, and I'm really happy with the brand, and the feedback on the brand has been really positive. So thanks everybody for paying attention, and thanks for your feedback and warm comments. It's much appreciated. Today the main focus, actually awesome potential advisor call this morning. Got to head down to Silicon Valley next week to go ahead and have a second meeting with this individual and this very large company that I can't disclose yet, but all good things. Everything's been going really fantastic on the advisor front. If you haven't seen our advisor list, it's growing pretty much every week, so definitely take a look at the website under our team page to see more on that. But everything's been great overall. Today also working on the overall branding continuously, and then also the paid media. I want to make sure that that's in check. But that's it for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Hi guys, in Phuket early morning and we finished our Muay Thai training. Now it's time to design. Thai fighters train every day, improving their skills. I also improve my DAV design. Today I'll continue our new amazing illustrations for DAV communication protocols. This is one of my favorite tasks, and I am going to make these illustrations. Like all DAV product, clean and cool. Have a nice day, not Muay.